Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best electric pumice stone is probably one of the most convenient tools for achieving smooth and healthy feet. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of electric pumice stones, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your foot care routine. Get ready to say goodbye to rough heels and hello to silky soft feet, as we uncover everything you need to know about this must-have beauty gadget. Number 5. Lee Beauty 8-ounce Gel Callus Remover. Tired of rough, calloused feet? This fast-acting gel works wonders. It removes dead skin and smooths rough patches, leaving your feet feeling refreshed. This isn't just a remover, it's a complete skincare solution. The formula hydrates the skin, leaving your feet feeling soft and supple. It targets dry, cracked areas, providing much-needed moisture. Get spa-like results at home. Simply soak your feet, apply the gel, rinse, and use a pumice stone. It saves you time and money, delivering professional results. This product is perfect for cracked heels. It targets tough buildup, allowing new, healthy skin to surface. Regular use improves the texture and appearance of your feet. For an unparalleled pedicure, pair this with the Lee Beauty Rasp Kit. These tools enhance every step of your at-home pedicure, elevating it into a blissful self-care ritual. What we like? This gel callus remover is perfect for removing dead skin and hydrating your feet. It's easy to use, saving you time and money. If you have dry, cracked heels and are looking for a spa-like experience at home, you should consider this. What people say. This product worked fantastic. At the 5-minute mark, I used the metal foot file and OMG, the callus came off. Gentle scraping, no pain. It helps to soften the dry skin very well. Number 4. PRITECH Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit. This electric foot file is designed for efficient foot care. It supports plug-and-play and can be fully charged within 2 to 3 hours. The battery allows up to 45 minutes of use. The device features an IPX6 waterproof design, making it safe to rinse under running water. While it can be submerged, we suggest avoiding frequent submersion. This allows for excellent foot care. It offers 2 speed options with speeds of 1,900-2,200 turns. The kit includes 3 roller types for different skin conditions. It's safe and effective, especially after a bath when calluses are softened. This electric callus remover is the perfect gift. It removes dead skin and calluses, giving you beautiful feet. It saves time and money compared to spa visits, making it a great foot groomer for you and your loved ones. This is the best gift for your loved one. Please take good care of his skin. If you receive the product with any problems such as wear or stains, please contact us in the first instance and we will provide you with a solution. What we like? This electric foot file is rechargeable, portable, and waterproof. It offers multiple roller heads for different needs. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile foot care solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and the rechargeable feature is a huge plus. No more wasting money on batteries. The roller is gentle but powerful enough to smooth out rough heels and calluses without hurting. It is really great for removing calluses and keeping my feet summer ready. It is like a small sander for your feet. It's easy to use and to clean and comes with a nice storage pouch. Number 3. Amopé Pedi Perfect Electric Foot File. This is the Amopé Pedi Perfect, an electric foot file designed to give you smooth feet. It gently buffs away hard skin, revealing touchably soft feet in minutes. It's easy to use and effective. It includes an extra coarse roller head with diamond crystals. This helps to effortlessly remove very hard skin. The roller head spins 360 degrees for quick results. The design is splash-proof, allowing for use in both wet and dry settings. However, it is intended for dry use. You can use it on wet or dry skin, depending on your preference. It has an integrated safety stop to prevent excessive pressure. There's also a dual speed system, so you can choose the best setting for your needs. This ensures a safe and customized experience. The device is battery operated and comes with 4 AA batteries included. This makes it convenient and portable, so you can use it anywhere. Get ready for smooth, beautiful feet with this product. What we like? This electric callus remover features a diamond crystal roller for effective hard skin removal. Its splash-proof design and dual-speed system make it convenient. If you like a quick and effective solution for smooth feet, you should consider it. What people say. It does the job. I put a fair amount of pressure on the calloused areas of my soles and heels and it didn't bother me at all. It powered through some pretty gnarly calluses that I didn't even realize were as bad as they were. Number 2. Finishing touch flawless Pedi electronic foot file. Tired of expensive salon visits? This tool is your all-in-one solution for beautiful feet at home. It removes calluses and dry skin safely and effectively. The Pedi comes with 2 roller heads. One is for polishing and daily upkeep, and the other is for tackling tough calluses and dead skin. This ensures your feet are always smooth. Inside the box, you'll find a handle, 2 roller heads, and a USB charging cord. Please note that a wall adapter is not included. It's everything you need for a perfect pedicure. This device is rechargeable and water resistant, making it convenient and safe to use. It offers 2 speeds, low and high, giving you control over your foot care routine. It's designed for easy use on both feet, covering heels, toes, sides, and the balls of your feet. The ergonomic wand design allows for a natural back and forth motion. What we like. This electronic tool is your at-home pedicure solution, removing calluses and dry skin safely. It includes 2 roller heads and is rechargeable and water resistant. If you are looking for an all-in-one foot care tool, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy to use, feels well made, and delivers great results. My feet feel smooth and soft after each use. The electronic callus remover is also pretty lightweight, so using it for that long wasn't even a bother. It is a great size and shape to hold for use. It does a wonderful job at removing calluses from the bottom of your feet. You can easily get about 40 minutes out of one charge if needed. Number 1. Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit. This is a rechargeable, portable electronic foot file. It's a professional pedicure tool designed for easy foot care at home. It makes a great gift for anyone. The kit includes the electric callus remover, charging cable, 3 roller heads, a cleaning brush, and 2 exfoliating foot scrubbers. It has everything you need for a complete foot care routine, saving you time and money. It features 3-quart sand grinding heads and 2 speed settings. You can easily adjust the speed to suit your needs, making it safe and effective for removing dead skin and calluses. This foot file has a 1200 mAh lithium battery that provides 60 to 90 minutes of use after a 2 to 3 hour charge. The digital display shows the battery life, and the built-in light illuminates the treatment area. The device is IPX4 waterproof, allowing you to rinse it under running water. This makes it easy to clean and perfect for use in the shower. However, avoid frequent submersion. This electric callus remover kit is a great gift for both women and men. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who wants to take care of their feet. We also offer friendly customer service. What we like. This electric foot callus remover comes as an 8-in-1 pedicure kit with adjustable speeds and a waterproof design. It is a great gift idea for anyone. If you like a comprehensive foot care solution with multiple features, you should consider it. What people say. This callus remover had all the features we wanted, and more, plus it was on sale at the time we purchased it. Another added bonus to buying this particular callus remover was that even if it was not on sale, and we had paid full price, it was still cheaper to buy this rather than one of us going to the salon for a pedicure. Customer service was excellent as it arrived earlier than the stated shipping arrival date. It has 2 speeds, is waterproof, has LED lighting, a lighted area on the front of the unit showing the available charging time, and a USB charging cord that will give it a fast 2-hour charge. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, and the built-in rechargeable battery holds a solid charge, allowing for multiple uses before needing to recharge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.